Hello everybody, thanks for watching back again. This is Lucas, and we're going to be doing some Euro Truck today. You see I've now got a mic, so you can now hear me. I bought my first truck in the last episode, which may be up on YouTube yet, I'm not sure. I don't think it is. So let's jump right in and find ourselves a job. Now we're in Liverpool, and there's a nice job to Sheffield which I would like, and yeah, it's don't know what the job is. I'm in my truck and I'm driving out the garage, and I'm using a steering wheel as well as a keyboard. I just find using a steering wheel easier. Now where is this job? Sorry if you hear that weird noise, it's just me breathing. And yeah, if you looked at the last episode, me and Reese put a few up. The first one driving was Reese, the second one driving was me, and I will be also using this to do some Formula 1, as I nearly hit the fence. Don't think I got the voice set up properly, because my voice is very windy for some reason, but I'll get that sorted for the next episode. Whoops, might have been that fence. Anyway, carry on. We are going to Sheffield, I believe it is. Looking down to the keyboard, pushing the wrong buttons. There it is. We're taking 20 tons of meat to Sheffield for £3,282, which is okay. I'm trying to find my sat nav again. And if you saw the opening video, from now on all the videos will include mine or Reese's voice. Balls! Sorry. Set the car in front. You. Will you go? Or no? Oh, you'll go when the light goes red. Okay. We'll be in this game today, are we? Hang on. There we go, that's better. Bored. Is that better now? Just trying to get rid of that wind. Can you still hear my voice? Can you hear my voice okay? Can you hear my voice okay now? It's not all windy anymore, is it? Is the volume okay now? Just checking. I'll put tips there in the video description. And this will be recorded in 2 parts, because I can only record for 10 minutes because of my camera. So we'll get as far as we can, and then we'll stop and we'll start again in the next episode from wherever we leave off at. or if my voice sounds a bit croaky, it's because I've got a cold. So, my voice isn't 100%. It's a bit groggy because of, I get hay fever and I've been ill for the past week. But yeah, just so you know, there will actually be no Minecraft videos, but there will be channel updates, there will be a Q&A, but I want to do a Q&A to what different to what other people do. I hit that van. Where I want somebody to, I'm going to do the driving, someone's going to be asking me questions, and I'm going to be answering them in the video. And we're going to do a nice journey, but that's once I can get a better camera. What motorway I'll be on? Should really check that, shouldn't I? On the right way. What road is this? Oh, the M62. The M6. Okay. And just to let some people know, there may be 1 or 2 Euro Truck videos up a day, and 1 or 2, maybe 3 Formula 1 videos a day. So yeah, Reese will be doing his one as well. So I'll be doing my profile, and Reese will be doing his. And we're also going to do some mod videos. Write down the mods and test them out. Tell me what you think about that. Really, man? Are you serious? Really? You prick. Oh, and the only reason I'm driving a Volvo is because, I found Volvo's my favourite truck. And if anybody out there owns a Renault truck or car, I'd spit on your Renault. My nose. Speeding offence. Where's the speed camera? Where? Oh, look, there's a petrol station there. That'll be a good place to end this episode. End the episode here. At this petrol station. Nice and careful now, nice and full. And I will park behind this lorry here. And yeah, that will be it for today's video of our journey to Sheffield from Liverpool. Join me for part 2 where we'll be continuing the rest of the journey. Speak to you guys later. Bye.